I am very excited to welcome you all back for our online computer class. How are you, dear children? Okay, are you all ready to learn the next topics in your computer textbook? Okay, dear children, do you remember from which chapter are we learning now? Okay, yes, it is from third chapter, isn't it? What is the topic of the third chapter, dear children? Yeah, it is procedures and loops in logo. Okay, so we are learning MSW logo, isn't it? Okay, so MSW logo is a what? Yes, tell me, dear children. MSW logo is a platform where you can create your own programs, isn't it? Okay, so that is especially made for small kids like you. Okay, so here we are already learning it. Okay, so today we are going to learn how to write procedure. Okay, once again, dear children. Okay, dear children, we are going to learn how to write procedure using input box and using editor window, and we are going to learn how to save your work in MSW logo. Okay, for that also we have two options, using input box and using file menu. Okay, so shall we learn how to do that? For that, first of all, you should open your MSW logo. Okay, click on that icon. Already you have downloaded it, isn't it? So you should click on that icon. When you double click that, your screen will appear like this. This is your MSW logo screen. Okay, so now first we are going to write a procedure. Okay, for writing procedure there are two options. First is using input box, another is using your editor window. Okay, this is your input box. Okay, so when you click here, you can see your cursor, isn't it? Your cursor is blinking. So there, first you should write 2. Everything should type. See, whatever I am writing in caps, you should write in caps. Okay, 2. You should type in caps. Then you should write your procedure name. Okay, procedure name can be any name, but it has to be under the rule of procedure name. In the previous class we have seen what are the rules to be followed while naming a procedure, isn't it? So your procedure name should come under that. Okay, so now I am going to take the same example in your textbook, that is square, SQUARE. Okay, then after typing you should press your enter key in your keyboard. Okay, can you able to see one new a textbook has been opened, and you can also see in this commander box, isn't it? This is user input box. So if you want to square, if you want a square, then you should write the command here. Okay, can you see, this is the place where you should write your input command. Okay, so now I am going to write input command. See, this is the procedure for writing input command. Okay, repeat, I am going to write the same example. This example we have seen in the last class, isn't it? Same example I am going to type. Okay, repeat space 4 space box bracket open space FD space, I am going to give 90. Okay, space, then RT space 90 space box bracket closed. Okay, after typing this command you should press the enter key. Then you should give end. Okay, you should type END end. Then again you should give enter key. Okay, can you see in the commander box you can see square defined. Okay, so this is how it should appear. Even in your textbook you can see this figure is in figure 3.3. Okay, now simply writing a procedure will not draw anything. Okay, dear children, you should run that procedure. For running the procedure, now you have defined the square, isn't it? Now you should run that. So again in the input box you should type square, E. Okay, square. After typing square, you should press the enter key. Okay, can you able to see here? The picture of a square is displayed here. Okay, so this is your output of square. Okay, the square will appear in the logo screen. Can you see in this logo screen? You can see the square. Okay, this is how you should type the commands in your MSW logo in order to get an output for what you have typed. Okay, so this is one way. Okay, one way of writing a procedure. Okay, another way of writing a procedure is by using the editor window. Okay, so I'm going to reset it. Okay, I have reset it. So another way is using editor window. For that, again you should go to the input box. Okay, go to input box and you type edit space double quotation. Okay, not single quotation, double quotation, then pentagon. So first we have seen square, isn't it? Now we can type we can draw pentagon. Okay, so then after typing this, you should press the enter key. Can you able to see the screen? Okay, this is how will appear in your screen. Okay, this is called editor window. Okay, this window will appear. So already it is mentioned 2 pentagon and it is typed their end, isn't it? So you have to take your cursor here at the end of the pentagon, then you should press enter key. Then again you should press one more enter, because you need a blank line in between 2 pentagon and the next command that you are going to give. Okay, I am going to type the command for drawing a pentagon. Okay, so this is the command, or repeat. Okay, repeat repeat space 5 space open box bracket space FD space. Okay, I am going to give 60, value is 60. Okay, I am going to give value 60, then RT. Okay, here the value is 72. Okay, then space, again box bracket is closed. Again you should give one enter. Okay, after typing this command, you should close your editor window. That you should do by clicking the file tab. Okay, can you see at the end you have option called exit. Click that. Then here you have to click yes for saving your command. S. Okay, so here can you see edit pentagon is displayed in the commander window. Okay, so here for running your command, you should again type pentagon. Okay, pentagon. Okay, pentagon you should type in the input box. Okay, after typing, click enter. Can you able to see in the logo screen there is a pentagon. Okay, so this is how you should define your command and you should execute it. Okay, so you found out, you learned how to create your procedure using these 2 ways, using input box and using editor window. Okay, dear children, you understood this? Okay, so again, if you don't understood, pause the video, go back again and watch again and try in your laptop or your computer. Okay, dear children, only if you try, you will understand it better. Okay, try in your house. Okay, then now let's see how to save your work in MSW logo. Okay, for that also we have 2 options. One is by using input box, another is by using file menu. Okay, you should click on the input box. Okay, in the input box you should select any file name. Okay, usually your default file names in your MSW logo will be saved using .lgo extension. Okay, so I am going to choose a random file. Okay, like proc.lgo. Okay, so this is a random file that I am going to select. If you want to save this file, you should type like this. Okay, before this file name you should type SAVE, save space double quotation then proc.lgo. Okay, this is how you have to type, then you should press enter. So here in the commander box you can able to see here, isn't it? Save proc.lgo. So this gets saved to your drive. Okay, usually when you save normally, okay, it will not be saved in your drive, it will not be saved in your disk. Okay, so once you turn off your computer, all that you did will get deleted. So if you save like this, it will be saved to your disk. Okay, next time you can call any whatever. For example, instead of typing 2 square, then defining the square, then finally we call that square, isn't it? Instead of doing that, simply if you type square, the square diagram will be displayed in the logo screen. Okay, we don't want to define again if we save like this, because already the definition what we have defined will be saved in the disk. Okay, so this is by using, so this way is by using input box, saving by using input box. Next is by using file menu. So you should go to the file menu. Okay, so there you can give save. Okay, so here you can write your file name. Okay. So you can use this file extension and you can save. Okay, so your file gets saved automatically. So easy way and also very useful way. If you want to have more control over your file, then you can use this file menu option instead of using input box option. Okay, so this is how you should save your procedure. Okay, saving your work in MSW logo. You understand, dear children? Okay, so what we have learned today, we have learned how to write a procedure using input box and using editor window, and we also have learned how to save our work in MSW logo using input box and using file menu. Okay, whatever we have learned today, please practice in your house. Okay, dear children, will you do that? Okay, so today okay, that is all for today, dear children. I will be posting what you should write in your classwork note in the WhatsApp group today. So check the WhatsApp group today after completing this video. Then download the PDF file and start writing in your classwork note. Okay, dear children, complete all the works. Especially you should practice what we have learned today. Okay, dear children, will you do that? Okay, thank you. Have a great day.